2023 Toyota Corolla with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.